Thank you for purchasing Andorate cleaning devices from GA Health. Our cleaning devices are ready to use, requiring no reprocessing. Bedside cleaning, also called point-of-use pre-cleaning, is crucial to ensure the efficacy of the following high-level disinfection to endoscopes. In this video, we will show you how to do bedside cleaning with Andorate devices in 12 steps. Step 1. After the procedure, leave the endoscope connected to the airflow regulator, water supply, and suction power. Gather the supplies for bedside cleaning, including table cover, clean water, basin, detergent, sponge, Andorate biopsy port cleaning adapter, and air-water channel cleaning adapter. Step 2. Soak the sponge in diluted detergent solution per the manufacturer's instructions. Wipe down the endoscope insertion tube from the control section to the distal tip, checking for debris along the way. Step 3. Remove the biopsy cap and mount the Andorate biopsy port cleaning adapter to the endoscope. Step 4. Place the distal tip and the white ball of the biopsy port cleaning adapter into the detergent. Depress the suction valve to activate the suction for 30 seconds. This step flushes detergent into and through the suction and biopsy port channels. Step 5. Remove the distal tip and the white ball from the detergent. Then depress the suction valve for 10 seconds. This step removes the detergent in the suction and biopsy port channels. Step 6. Let's move to clean the air and water channel. Turn the airflow regulator to standby. Remove the procedure air-water valve from the endoscope and replace it with the Andorate air-water channel cleaning adapter. Step 7. Place the distal tip into the water. Then turn on the airflow regulator to high. No need to depress the cleaning adapter. Watch for the bubble in the water basin. Bubbling confirms continuous air flowing through the water channel. Step 8. Lift the distal tip away from the water. Depress the cleaning adapter for 30 seconds. Step 9. Dip the distal tip of the endoscope back into the water and release the adapter for 10 seconds. Watch for bubbles to confirm the air flowing through. Step 10. Turn the airflow regulator to standby. Step 11. To wash the auxiliary water channel, step on the pump pedal to activate the irrigation for 30 seconds. The water will come out from the distal tip. Step 12. Now we have cleaned all channels in the endoscope. Clamp the air-water bottle tubing. Disconnect the endoscope from the airflow regulator, water supply, suction power, and irrigation pump. Discard all the consumables, including Andorate suction valve, air-water channel cleaning adapter, biopsy port cleaning adapter, and auxiliary water connector, following your hospital's protocol for clinical waste. We hope you find this video has helped you learn how to do bedside cleaning. If you have any further questions, contact us at product@gahealth.com. We are looking forward to speaking with you.